Now that you know what is a MAC address and how to changing using a pre-built program that is CAM that already exists in Kali Linux, it is time to go and build your own program to change MAC address automatically. So for creating this program, we are going to use a module or library. You know what is a library, okay? Already you learn it in Python basic section. And name of this library or module is Subprocess. This Subprocess will allow you, okay, to run system command using Python. Okay? It is very easy to use and very handy. So there is it's library, okay, that it's document that we can use it. And here let me show you how you can use it. Okay, first you need to import this subprocess, and then you can use subprocess.run. Before it was subprocess.call function, but now it is subprocess.run function. And then you can provide the command here, okay, or like this, or like this, or like this, multiple commands. And also this one shell is equal to true. So it has a lot of information here. You can come and continue learning it from here. So now let's go here into the Mac Changer folder. Okay, create a Mac Changer folder and then create a file by the name of Mac Changer. Here we are going to create that program. So before that, maybe that library is not installed into your system, so you could use pip install. It is called Subprocess. Hit enter and wait just a moment to install it. We could not find version satisfy requirement subprocess version none. Okay, maybe it is already installed into my system. Let me use Python to go to Python interpreter, import subprocess, and hit enter. You see I have no error. That means it is already provided into my system. Very good. Now I can exit this Python interpreter using exit method. Hit enter, clear this. And now let's use that. Okay, so import subprocess. Okay, now let's use this subprocess.run function, and here you need to give the command. Okay, the first command that was showing the MAC address. Okay, in Linux it was ifconfig, and here use schema and write shell is equal to true. Now let's save this and execute this. Maybe it is not going to let me to change that. Okay, let's go out of this folder and then go to Mac Changer, and then now let me use Python Mac Changer and hit enter. As you see, it is, come on. Now you see that it ran the command successfully, and it is showing me the result that was for ifconfig. Okay, ifconfig. Now if I hit ifconfig, again it's going to give me the result that is this one give. Okay, so now you know how to run a system command using subprocess. So let's go and improve this, learn how to create our application, okay, to change a MAC address for a system.